If you think of the impact of deep learning on the world, for society and for the economy, it's going to come from millions of people applying it in unique, specialized ways.
Welcome back. I hope you all had a nice weekend.
My job as an educator is to essentially equip them with this amazing tool, teach them enough so that they feel emboldened to first use it, and B, they understand that to actually make it useful to their particular problem, they have to bring their unique value add into the equation, their unique domain knowledge.
So the idea is that when you're working with images, right, what you can do is you can just create folders for each kind of image.
It's a very hands-on class because the act of building something and making it do some stuff, it's incredibly sort of inspiring and powerful. I will open up my Chrome browser, I'll go to Google Colab, and then I will start programming right there, and everybody can see exactly what I'm doing. This live interactivity, I think, has lots of benefits, not the least of which is that as I'm programming, I will be making mistakes, as we all do, and then students will actually see me make all these mistakes, sometimes silly mistakes, and then they'll see me, backspacing, deleting, trying it again, basically, struggling with it, and then they'll see me getting it right, and then they see me moving on. And I think that sends a very important message to people that even people who have been doing it for a long time, they don't get it right the first time.
So here, this is the first layer, and you can see it's picking up.
I actually don't use a laser pointer. I use this thing called a Logitech Spotlight remote. This remote is actually working through the laptop, directly modifying the image on the laptop itself. It also shows up for those who are watching the recording later on and who are watching on Zoom.
It's a pretty big show. If it can't get this show, I'm worried about this model.
The students or the customers of the product that I'm selling. And there is no greater validation than your customer basically saying your product is good. So I'm very appreciative, and I thank the students who nominated me and who picked me.